When installing any connector on an RG59 cable, the first thing you want to do is properly strip the cable. Make sure that your strippers are set so that you remove enough of the shielding and dielectric in order to expose the copper center, but at the same time, behind that, only stripping the outer shield. You then want to web out the copper shielding. Okay, at this point we're going to make an RCA connection. Insert the cable into the RCA connection until it's firmly seated. We then take our compression tool, make sure that it is adjusted correctly for RCA. Then press it into. Now you got a completed cable that's secure and waterproof.